What's good, everyone? Check this out now. We got some McCain Craft Beer battered onion rings. Made with American Pale Ale, finest quality, no artificial flavors, 14-ounce package, approximately about $4. And there it is. I had them in the oven for 15 minutes at 425. They're a little bit crisp, so not really, but I've never tried these before. And I want to try them. I had a couple of these here prior to starting the video just to taste and see what I thought. And you know what? These are pretty bland. I mean, they're just I could feel the onion, I could taste it, the texture. But man, there ain't no craft beer flavor going on in this at all. I am not kidding you. It just ain't there, y'all. That's a big swing and a miss. I don't know what they did here, but whatever it is, they didn't do it right. I'm trying to get those ingredients here so I can get a kind of look at here. See what they got going on. Look at it, there's niacin in there. Ferrous sulfate. Oh, it's thiamine. Malted barley, corn syrup, hops, salt, vegetable oil, canola oil, yellow corn flour, modified cornstarch contains. Yeah, it's just bicarbonate, sodium, aluminum, phosphorus. There's just all kinds of terrible bad ingredients in this stuff. And I'm kind of really disappointed with this product, to be honest with y'all. It's just, it looks a lot better than what you actually really get. I mean, I could have fried them in my deep fryer, but I don't think it really would have did a whole lot for them. I mean, it would probably been so crunchy I wouldn't be able to eat them. I honestly really don't know, but there's ain't no flavor here. And the texture, it's just such low quality batter. Look at that, it just disintegrates. I don't even like these enough to eat any more of them. I ate like 3 or 4 of them, and then I ate one on the video, and I can't bring myself to eat no more of them. These are gonna have to get a low 2. They slide way down the scale the opposite end, y'all, but I'm really, man, when the product ain't right, and it just, this one isn't, I have to let y'all know, because that's what I'm here to do. You know, I don't do these food reviews and try to like every single thing that I review, but for the most part, a lot of stuff I pick out, it's stuff I know that I'll probably like, or at least have a good chance of liking, or hopefully it'll be something I like. But you know, you're gonna have those swing and a miss failures, and they're gonna come to every YouTuber out there. I mean, there ain't, if you run a review channel, you know, it's not always gonna be, sometimes it's gonna be. And tonight, unfortunately, for my stomach and for my pocketbook, these onion rings are a complete fail. I won't even try it. My wife likes onion rings, but I know she won't like these. I even put onion salt on them, and they still don't taste like onion rings. I ain't trying to turn this into no rant, y'all, but you know what? If I promote a product, I say y'all go out and try it. I definitely recommend it. Well, I definitely recommend you don't try this. I definitely recommend you don't go buy it. Unless you got some magic cooking skills in the kitchen, you could make these redeem themselves. I don't see any reason that they should go any further here. This is probably gonna go right in my garbage, to be honest with y'all. And that's, look at what's left in the bag. It's just a destroyed mess. It's all pieces. There's no solid rings in there at all. Those are all broken pieces. Watch, I'll prove it. Look at that crap. This garbage. Come on, y'all. You need to make onion rings. Don't be false advertising. Don't be wasting the consumer's time and money. Don't waste the freezer space in the stores when there could be better food there. But that's it. That's all I got, y'all. I'm outie. Peace. Stay safe, everybody. Have a good week. Please drop a comment down below, and we'll catch y'all later. Bye-bye.